Hey,
Hi.
how are you?
Oh. I'm fine. You?
I'm fine also. And what's your name,
What's
girl?
your name?
Oh, okay. Me first? Me?
Yes.
I'm first or you? Me first, okay. My name is Fian. And what's your
Mia?
name? Fian, Fian.
Alexia and Mara.
Alexia and Mara. Okay. That's beautiful name for a pretty girl like you both.
Thank you. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. Oh, by the way, my name is Fian, not Fia. My name is Fian. Fian.
Fian.
Yeah. By the way, I like your glasses, Mara. It's cool.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Alicia, can I sing for you? And I mean, Alicia and Mara, can I sing for you? Singing?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
Let me try. I've watched in my night, you turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we call it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my things I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all from where are the planes we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. All these fairy tales are full of sin. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. I'm at a bad boy, yeah. I'm at a bad boy, yeah. Oh boy, yeah. I'm at a bad boy, yeah.
Wow. It's really good.
Thank you so much. Did you like it? You like it?
Yes. Yes.
Thank you. Oh, how old are you, by the way, Alicia and Mara? How old are you?
I am 16. And I'm 15.
Oh my god,
FBI, open up!
Bro. It took me to heaven. Oops. Hello.
No.
Where are you from, girls?
We are Poland.
Oh, Poland. Hold on.
From Poland.
Good. Yeksi Max.
Dobrze.
Dobrze. Okay, dobrze. What's your name? What's your name, girl?
Julia, Atta.
Julia and Anna. Oh.
Alla. Alla.
Yes. Yes, that's pięknym name.
Oh, true.
My name is Fian.
Ian.
Yeah. Cool. Fian. Anna and Julia, can I sing for you? Singing? Singing with guitar, singing.
You sing?
Yeah.
Yes, please. Please
Ah.
sing. Yes.
Let's go. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you what things, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay. When I'm away from you, I miss your touch. You're the reason I believe in love. It's been difficult for me to trust, and I'm afraid that I'ma fuck it up in a way that I can leave you stranded. Cause you will never let me empty-handed, and you know that I can't live without you. So baby stay. Oh yeah. I'll be fucked up if you can be right here. I do the same thing. I told you that I never would. I told you what things, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay.
Beautiful voice. Yeah, I love it.
Kohamche, dziękuję girls, dziękuję, kohamche. Hello?
Hi.
Can I sing for you, girl?
Так, can you please song name is... Так, какую песню хотите?
Let's go sing, just sing. Have I ever told you I want you to? Yeah, but I didn't mean it before. I want you to the bone. I want you to take me home. I'm falling. Love me long, I'm rolling. Losing control, your body and soul. 1, 2 for sure, I'm already yours. Walk you down, I'm rolling. Hold you tight, you calling. I'll take control, your body and soul. 1, 2 for sure, I'm already yours. Would that be alright? Would that be alright?
Sorry.
Hello, girls.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? Oh my god, I like your glasses, girl. It's cool. Yeah.
Która?
Yeah.
Która?
Yeah. Okay. Can I sing for you? Can I sing?
Yeah, please. So please. Yeah,
Let's go.
please.
Hey, I'm not afraid. I can be myself, and I hope you can be yourself as well. Cause I can make you feel alright. There was so much happiness, cause we were still yet to find. I said that you can call me Alex, baby. Welcome to my life. Don't you worry, don't worry, girl. No, I'm not sure if I'm into you. The last time that you checked, I was probably so sad and confused. I don't know, no, I don't know what you like. But if you're looking for something new, I know somebody that you could use. Let's go, girls, sing. What about me? What about me? Yeah. What about me and you together? Something that could really last forever. What about me? What about me? Yeah. What about me and you together? Something that could really last forever. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Something that could really last forever. Dziękuję. Hello? Oh,
Hi.
you from Greek?
Yeah.
Oh my god, is it night in there?
Yeah.
Oh my god. In my country it's night also. What time is it in there?
Wait. It's 6 a.m.
Are you sure about that? I think you're wrong.
That's it. Wait. 6 a.m. Oh no, 6 p.m.
No, it's wrong. It's wrong. It's time for falling in love with you.
Oh.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just kidding. I'm just trying to make you happy with that one. What's your name, girls?
My name is Chris and her name is
Krisha and
it's Krisa.
Krisa and Dimitra and Krisa. Okay. My name is Fian Krisa.
Yeah.
My name is Fian Krisa.
What's your name?
Fian.
Yeah.
Fian with N. Fian. Fian. Fian.
Vian.
Yeah. Okay, Krisa.
Oh.
And okay, can I sing for you? Singing?
Yeah.
All right, let's try.
Go on.
Ooh, your body like an ocean. I'm devoted to explore you. Ooh, what do you desire? I'm inspired. I'll do it for you. Won't you drama for me? Let's sweet strawberries, and I'll get on my knees. Let's go. I put my hands around you. Ooh, teach me how to touch your kiss, curse you and please you. Teach me how to love. Put my hands around you. Ooh, teach me how to touch your kiss, curse you and please you. Teach me, teach me, teach me how to love. How to love. How to love. How to love.
It's your song.
Not, it's Son Mendes
Oh,
song.
oh.
But actually,
You're singing really well.
thank you so much, Krisa. But actually, I have my own song.
Really?
Yeah, in Spotify. If you wanna listen, I will sing for you. This my Spotify's in my song in my Spotify. You can search on Spotify.
Okay.
Hello. Oh my God.
What?
Oh my God. You can speak English.
Yes.
Oh my God. You're so
I can.
cute. You're so cute.
Oh, thank you.
What's your name?
My name is Mira.
Mira.
Yes.
Beautiful name for a pretty girl like you.
Thank you.
My name is Fian. Mira. Nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Fian.
Via.
Fian. Fian.
Viat.
Fian with N, not T. With N.
What's
Fian.
your nationality?
My nationality is Indonesia.
Oh, okay.
My name is Fian, but you can call me Fian. Yeah.
Can I call you just
Ba-
V?
Fi, okay. But
Baby.
it's more good. I think you can call me baby. Yeah.
Oh.
No, I'm just kidding. Mira, can I sing for you? Sing?
Of course.
Let's try. Do you wanna be my favorite girl?
If you want.
I want. Let's go. Oh, 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 yeah. I always knew you were the best, the coolest girl I know. So prettier than all the rest, the stars of my show. So many times I wish you'd be the one for me, but never knew I'd get like this, girl. What you do to me? You're who I'm thinking of, and you, girl, am I runner-up. And no matter what, you're always number one, my prized possession, one and only. I adore you, girl, I want ya, the one I can't live without. That's you, you're my special little lady, the one that makes me crazy. Of all the girls I've ever known, it's you, oh, 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 oh. I want you, oh, it's you, Mira.
Oh my god. It's so beautiful.
It's spasiba.
Oh, you speak Russian.
Just chut.
Chut. Oh, okay.
Like привет, как дела, and
That's cool.
я люблю тебя.
Me too.
How old are you, Mira?
What do you think?
I think you looks like 18, 17,
No.
20.
No,
16?
I'm younger.
16?
Yeah, 16.
Oh my god. Okay, this your turn. Guess how old am I?
I don't know.
Just
20?
guess. Oh, what the heck? How you can know that?
Really?
Yeah, I'm 20.
Oh,
Oh my god, I'm just shocked. Like, how do you think I'm 20? How do you think? Because
I
of
don't
what?
know.
You just guessing randomly?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh, by the way,
Else?
Amira, do you have Instagram?
Thank you.
Instagram? Do you
I
have
don't hear you.
Do you have Instagram?
Oh, only for business, you know?
Oh, only for business. Oh, you are artist? Are you artist?
Only for business.
Why I cannot?
Business.
Why I can't have your Instagram?
No.
Are you a model or something?
No, of course.
Okay. Why I cannot have your Instagram?
I make videos with photos like.
Oh, but you say it's just for business?
Yes.
Like, what kind business do you
I'm filming videos and you know.
like video? Like, what kind of video is that?
I don't know, for school projects.
Oh, I know. Like, film.
Yeah.
Oh,
I said it.
oh, you are an actress, artist, like actor.
No. Wait a minute.
Okay. Ya, dia keluarin. Di skip suwe.